The mantis shrimp is tiny, but it has one of the fastest punches in the animal kingdom. Before it strikes, the shrimp coils its arm like a loaded spring. A latch holds that energy, then releases it in a flash. The cloth snaps forward in just milliseconds, accelerating to around 50 miles per hour. For something this small, that speed is devastating. Some species wield blunt clubs to smash shells. Others use sharp spears to snatch fish in open water. Here's the surprising part. Some strikes are so fast, they create tiny bubbles in the water. When those bubbles collapse, they release a second burst of force, meaning the prey can be hit twice. And the mantis shrimp doesn't just hit differently, it sees differently. Its eyes detect ultraviolet and polarized light, and each eye moves independently, scanning the world faster than our brains can react. The mantis shrimp is awesome because nature packed speed, power, and alien-like vision into one small creature. What other ocean animal is hiding abilities that sound impossible?